Start. Soldier, first 2 steps or 1 step. This is horse, L shape.
So can I put here?
Yeah, yes. This is also horse, L shape here. I can kill this with bishop.
Yeah.
So, with this bishop. So, this is removed.
Okay. So can I do?
No, it does not move in straight line. No, it moves in L shape here or here. Okay. Why did you put there? This can kill, no? L shape. Ye goda. This is horse. It will jump
this
over.
also, na?
Even if you keep L shape only till here. No, only 4. I can kill like this, no? So keep somewhere else. Okay. Now this has been attacked by knight. So I'll move this. I'm adjusting the piece. Okay. This is white bishop. It moves in white diagonal.
Okay. This move in
Black diagonal, but this is there. So you can move in this diagonal.
No, I want to move it.
Move this. So this bishop is now under attack with this soldier.
Okay.
I will move here, or I can take with this knight because it's L shape. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've removed with this.
Okay.
Okay.
This here.
Now for this pawn or soldier, there are 2 attackers. One is knight. It can kill like this, but this support is there. This pawn has 2 attackers.
This and this.
Yes. So I can take with any. Either with knight or with bishop.
Okay.
Now you can kill with this.
Right.
Because it moves vertically or horizontally, straight line. Now I will kill with this. Okay. Right. You can say. You can help her directly. Come here and help her. Okay, you play whatever you feel. It
Can I
moves
do like
diagonally.
this?
Yes. No, no, only this or here. Only one step. Not like this.
Okay. Okay, your turn.
It's not safer place for bishop to be in enemy's kingdom. So I'm getting it back.
Okay.
In my kingdom. I got back for my safety. Yes.
Okay.
You can kill it. But what is the use? I can kill with this bishop. So play well. अच्छा सा kill. हाँ. इधर. Play properly. Why did you keep there? What is the use? I will kill here, no?
I will put back here
Okay.
for protection.
Only 4 squares.
Can we now do like this? 1, 2, 3.
Yes. You have attacked my bishop with, what is this?
Horse.
Horse or knight. Now I can take with, because soldier or pawn kills
Yeah.
opposite. Okay.
It's yours. Oh,
Okay.
you got this much. Oh, 2 attacks.
Why did you play that? I can easily take this. So don't play such senseless moves. you can activate these pieces here, over here. These three pieces are inactive. Yes. L shape. Now here it is going diagonally, so I can kill it. Now what would you play? How can you attack the bishop?
From this.
No, with the soldier.
With this one, right. I have two bishops up here.
Now with this queen I can't take this soldier. Why? Because
In this
bishop is there here. It will attack. If I attack this will attack this. That's why you have to be careful.
you take here now. I will take.
Yeah. So I do not make that move because it is not useful. Now I'm doing castling.
Oh. So can I?
Array, slowly. It's magnet. Move it properly. Okay. Now what would you like to move?
I like to move this.
I have moved my rook to white, to the center. I can kill with this horse, no? L shape. So I've killed.
Okay.
Not only with soldiers. It does not go horizontally. It goes only forward. First move or two
Can I
moves.
do 3?
No, you can't.
Oh, you can kill me.
No.
No, you cannot.
It's your turn. Yellow Junior. Play fastly. Not only with soldier, move major pieces like this and this and this. This queen is also there. Have moved my soldier forward.
From here.
No, I've killed this.
Oh. So.
Now this pawn can be killed with this or with king. It's better to move with bishop or queen.
I will
Kill with bishop. Okay.
got it. But because if I kill from this, you
No.
can attack me.
Yeah. Now I have brought another rook to the center.
Oh.
Activating. Now this rook is attacking queen. So now we have to move this queen.
Where? Can I move here?
No, because it is there here. It moves like here, or like this.
Oh, I want to kill you.
No, because it is 8 points. No, this is only 4 points. So it's not better to kill. You can move. If you keep here, then this can kill. It has no support. So it's better to move here.
Okay, right. So you cannot kill from here. Oh, you want some steps?
I've moved my knight to in L shape.
This is why I cannot kill you.
Now it kills cross.
Can I do it?
No, it will kill. So it's better not to.
Okay.
It is pinned. This bishop is now pinned because this rook is looking at here in this diagonal.
So,
To remove pin, you have to move the king. Check. Your king is under check. Move forward. Now I can attack this.
oh,
Your rook is gone.
how many I have?
Play fastly. Play fastly. No, it does not move like that. Because this queen is here.
You can take anyone's, you know.
That is when pawn goes here, then you can do. Okay. Now I can attack like this. Your bishop is gone.
My queen is here.
Your queen and king are on the same line.
You can kill it from here.
Check. Now you have to move your king. Hey, only one move. No, here it is there. This is there. So you can move here or here. Which one you want to move?
Oh, you cannot.
Once again, check. Check. No, you are not supposed to play like that. No, this queen is there. No.
So what should win here?
Yeah, you can put there. Check with soldier.
With soldier, like how?
This can cross. You can't kill it. This support is there. So the only option is here.
Check. No.
Checkmate. Game is over.
How?
No, check. You can't move here, 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 here.
I can move here.
Here, this whole line is controlled by this rook. That's why you can't move.